So we got the water pump off, we got all that stuff off, we got the sump off, which is an absolute mess. That's what it looks like. A bit of cleanup may actually be able to reuse that rubber seal, which isn't bad. It's right on the pile. This is what the sump looks like though. This is why when I turned it, there's absolutely no oil at all in there. Not a drop. In fact, it's pretty badly rusted, and I'm wondering if it's even serviceable. But I'm sure that I'll find out in due course. I'm going to have it sandblasted. So this is the bit underneath. See, they're rusted pretty badly in there together. I'll probably free it up. It should, I don't think there's going to be too many issues. I'll get a new one of these. I don't think that's savable. I've been surprised before. So yeah, let's pop you on the stand and continue.